Have you ever thought about what a smart building is? What it can do for people that are in that building? How it could be transformative for your business? How smart are you? You're listening to Smart Thinking, a podcast from WSP. I'm Matthew Marson, taking you on a journey into smart buildings. With the launch of our new smart buildings capability globally, we're excited to share with you the all-important ingredients to making a smart building. Over the course of this series, we'll be releasing a new podcast weekly to give you the talking points you need to make your building smart. And you shouldn't just take our word for it. We've invited industry experts to join the conversation. You'll be able to learn more about platforms with IBM Watson, the future of facilities management with Mighty, measuring productivity with cordless consultants, exploring the potential to improve healthcare with smart, and the digital reinvention of engineering. With a pool of experts from across the globe, we'll be bringing a condensed but comprehensive crash course as to how digital is set to revolutionize our industry. The challenge we are facing is to make the creation of smart buildings simple. As WSP, we're starting on the journey to bring together our global capabilities and offers to make sure that they're relevant, insightful, and practical to all of our clients. Through the creation of a design studio that creates differentiated experiences, a robust management consultancy that looks at the financials and strategy of using technology, or our engineering powerhouse that makes the complex feel simple, or perhaps using our ecosystem to provide technology advisory and taking the data that the building has generated to gain deep post-occupancy insight.
There's a lot of debate about what a smart building is these days, and a lot of, I'll call it snake oil out there around what it is.
Through the course of making this series, even defining a smart building has been difficult. But here's what some of our experts had to say.
What I think a smart building is a building that is agile, a building that learns and adapts.
A building that tells you what it's doing.
Very much about connectivity, how we extract information from a building, how users can use the building more effectively.
The connected building where all of the subsystems, they're all connected together.
Any building that is designed to be fully integrated into a data or algorithmic pipeline.
A smart building to me is a building that comes to life.
Let's just give that a little bit of context. If we would take a hospital, for instance, imagine if your lighting system actually provided the right sort of circadian rhythm such that your body can help heal faster. What if you're at a stadium and you're watching your favourite sports team? Could you have your snack brought to where you're sat? Smart, evolvable buildings integrate intelligent design, multiple data inputs, and previously disparate systems that aggregate these into a cloud of useful information. When harnessed, this actionable intelligence allows smart owners and occupants to create more engaging and effective built environments. In fact, truly smart buildings maximize the value of each and every square meter. From reducing energy consumption and operational costs to more effective maintenance and space utilization, and increasing users' well-being, safety, and productivity. Linking your building systems together is advanced automation. Taking the data and doing something with it adds intelligence, but creating new digital services that benefit an occupant, now that's smart. It could be a mobile app that helps me find colleagues in real time with a particular skill. Maybe it's proving how much healthier my home is in comparison to other buildings. Or it could be something that works in the background to increase the sustainable credentials of where I shop. The way that smart buildings cross so many different disciplines, service lines, departments, both internally and externally, it will change the way that we operate, or the tools that we use. I call it the digital reinvention of engineering. To create some of the things I've mentioned, we're going to have to think about engineering more holistically, consider how software could enhance our designs, and most importantly, put people at the heart of what we do. Concentrate on human-centered design. The formula is simple. We call it Smart Simplified. Integrated technology, purposeful design, and actionable data equals optimal managed performance and happier, healthier users. In our next episode, we'll be looking at the value of a smart building. Thanks for listening to our first episode, and I'm excited to take you on a journey into smart buildings. If something in this episode has piqued your interest, then have a chat with us. Email smart@wsp.com. You've been listening to Smart Thinking, a podcast from WSP.